Hi, my name is Professor N. Raghavan from IIT Madras, the Department of Civil Engineering. I'm also a member of the board of ILCE. Today, I would like to tell you something about lean construction, about ILCE, and about this webinar. If you look at the way lean construction originated, the principle of lean came up from Toyota Motors when they developed the Toyota Way after the Second World War to improve their uh, competitiveness. So, from lean manufacturing, which actually was quite popular all over the world, including in India, the concept of lean construction evolved towards 1990, and it became quite popular around the world and also in India. Lean construction came to India in 2008 when ILCA was formed with the very specific purpose of propagating lean construction management. Lean construction is now being practiced in many sites in India. Lean is all about minimizing construction waste, increasing productivity, improving collaborative working, fostering continuous improvement, and above all, enhancing overall value for the client. So Lean features several improvements compared to the conventional project management paradigms. And you will learn more about all these in the subsequent talks. An interesting feature of Lean is that it also improves the morale of the people involved and reduces stress levels of the people in the project sites. And that's a great plus point in today's environment. Now, looking at ILC, ILC is the Institute for Lean Construction Excellence. It's a not-for-profit body, like I said, founded in 2008 to promote lean construction in this part of the world. ILC is governed by a board of directors whose members are senior personnel from the charter member agencies. And if you look at the charter members of ILC, they are like the who's who of construction world in India. Larsen & Toubro, Shapoorji Pallonji, Afcon Infra, Godrej Construction, Tata Realty and Housing, Arcop Architects, URC Constructions, and with IIT Madras as the knowledge partners. The key objectives of ILC are to develop and disseminate lean practices in construction, add value to all stakeholders through faster and more reliable project delivery, then to promote construction between the academic and research institutions and the industry. You can learn more about ILCE from our website www.ilce.in. And if you want to know exactly what is the status of lean in today's world, since 2008, ILC has organized a number of events, seminars, workshops, conferences, and so on, featuring many eminent international speakers like the who's who of lean construction. Dr. Laurie Koskela, Mr. Greg Howell, Dr. Glenn Ballard, Dr. Iris Tomerline, Dr. Tariq Abdulhamid, Sir Alan Mossman, Dr. Carlos Formoso, Dr. Martin Morosuki, Dr. Bhargav Dave, and so many more, a glittering set of people from all over the world, all experts in the field of lean construction. Since then, several construction organizations in India have started practicing lean quite extensively. IIT Madras and ILC have conducted training programs at various sites, and since then, these sites have been also practicing lean quite well. Now, IIT Madras and ILC have organized several conferences in the country. The Indian Lean Construction Conference every 2 years since 2015, the prestigious international event IGLC 2018 for the International Group for Lean Construction, LIFS 2019, that is Lean in Public Sector Conference. All these conference features many papers and posters covering actual cases of lean implementation. And today, apart from IIT Madras, several other colleges teach lean construction as part of their project management course. And you also have several consultants available in this country to handhold the beginners in lean construction and to help them practice lean in a better manner. And you also have some software available for helping us. Like, for example, CoalPlus, the collaborative planning simulation exercise, which you can download from ILC website free of cost. And all in all, there are very clear-cut evidences that lean is being practiced quite successfully to considerable benefits in this country by many organizations. And if you look at what ILC can do for you, with IIT Madras, ILC has organized many technical activities for developing and disseminating information on lean construction. Then you have so many webinars and technical events being organized apart from the training programs. And we are also plan to bring the lean certification program and lean maturity evaluation programs by and by. And like I said, the open source software CoalPlus can be downloaded from ILC website. And you can become a member of ILC as a charter member, the corporate member, individual members. You can see more about all these in our website, www.ilc.in. There are benefits by becoming a member, interactions between the members, download from the websites. Then you can have concessional access to ILC events, and also access to our newsletters, online lean get-togethers, and so on, many more. And coming to this particular webinar, it's meant for both the beginners and for the practitioners. The beginners get a quick idea of what exactly is lean in the first presentation, and the practitioners get a good idea of automation and advanced features of lean in the second presentation. And the third one is really the icing on the cake, and very interesting panel discussion between the top honchos of the ILC charter member companies, the big companies like Larsen & Toubro, Shapoorji, Afcons, and others, including IIT Madras. And in the end, you have a question and answer session where you can get all your doubts clarified. So stay tuned for this event. Thank you for listening. Happy watching. All the best. Good day.